Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure you have administrator access and you're targeting the correct Chrome profile because the data lives in that folder. Once done, quit Chrome immediately to prevent the system from writing over cached files. Then enable viewing hidden folders in your OS and note the profile path such as user/appdata/local/Google/Chrome/user-data. This matters because the next steps operate directly on local files and backups, not the Chrome UI, and being precise avoids mistakes. You'll now inspect and recover files. First, duplicate the profile folder to a safe location so you can experiment without risking originals. Next, locate history-related files like History, SQLite, and Network Action Predictor. These often contain URLs and timestamps. If those are deleted, run reputable file recovery software against the disk or check your OS restore points and backups. Make sure to recover files to a different drive to avoid overwrites. Once recovered, verify integrity before importing back into Chrome's profile folder. Finish by carefully reintegrating recovered data. Create a test Chrome profile and copy recovered SQLite files there to confirm Chrome reads them. This prevents corrupting your main profile. If Chrome cannot open the files, use an SQLite viewer to extract URLs and timestamps directly and save them elsewhere. If nothing appears, check Google account sync history and any cloud backups you own. Troubleshooting tip: if files are corrupted, try alternative recovery tools or professional services, and stop using the disk immediately to preserve recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.